Hi, what's up guys? Welcome back on another video. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to download and install CodeBlocks IDE on Windows 10. So in order to do that, you need to open your browser of your choice and start typing CodeBlocks. Then go to this first link here which says www.codeblocks.org. Then you will be on this page where it says the CodeBlocks is an open source and a cross-platform IDE which lets you work with C and C++ programming languages. Then from this page we need to go to downloads. So pay attention up here which it says codeblocks.org/downloads. Then you'll be given these three options here which says retrieve source code from SVN, download the source code, then download the binary release, which I will suggest to go to this download the binary release up here. Then it will say please select the setup package depending on your platform. So let me go to Windows XP, Vista 7, 8 point something, then 10. Then we will be given all these options here to download our CodeBlocks, and we have two links to download our CodeBlocks IDE. So I will suggest to download the one that is CodeBlocks 20.03 min w, then setup exe. Then wait for some couple. Okay, it is downloading, so it will take some time. I will come back when it is done. So after it is done downloading, let me show this in a folder. Then this will be our CodeBlocks. Then let me show you how to install CodeBlocks on our Windows 10. Let me minimize this browser here. We need to click yes for our user account control settings. Let me minimize this folder. Okay, we need to click next here. Then this will be the license agreement window. We need to say I agree, then say next here. Then this will be our destination folder. We can change the destination folder by clicking browse, then selecting your new location here. So for me, I'm going to leave it as it is, then say install. So the installation should have taken some time. Now it says, do you want to run the CodeBlocks now? Let me say yes. Then wait for it. You see this window will start to appear which says CodeBlocks, the open source cross-platform IDE 20.03. Okay, now it is loading. Let me say next here, then say finish. Then wait for CodeBlocks IDE to open itself. See, this window is for our compiler. This is a GNU GCC compiler which is detected. Then select this one, then say okay. So if you have downloaded this CodeBlocks 20.03, then this min w setup, this is our compiler. If you've downloaded this one, then you are good to go. So guys, now I'm going to show you how to set up your first program using the CodeBlocks IDE. So we have some quite options here. We have create a new project, open an existing project, then tip of the day, then these two links down here. So creating a new project, we have some couple of ways of doing it. We can say create a new project here, or go to file, then new, file, file, new, then go to project, then select the console application, then say go. Then in this window we'll need to say next. Then the second window that will start to appear will ask us for which programming language that you wanna use. You wanna use C or you wanna use C++. So for the sake of this tutorial we are going to use C++. Then our project title here, let me say console app. Then down here we have our project file location, then our project file name, then say next. Then our compiler here, which is GNU GCC compiler, will be detected, then say finish. So we did it, guys. This is our CodeBlocks IDE, and then left here we need to go to this console app. So if for you it is closed, you need to open this console app, then go to sources, then double click this main file here. So to get rid of this thing, you can either do this way or pressing F2. So this is our program, guys. So this is our first hello program, but let me change this to something like this is KrazyTeeTP, then click save. So to run this project we have some couple of ways of doing it. Also we can go to build, then say build, then say run, or build and run. So then we also have these icons here. This is for our build, this is for our run, then this is for our build and run. Then the other option, which is pretty much simple, is by clicking F9. So let me go and use this build and run up here. So it'll take some time, so we should wait for it to see. Now it says this is KrazyTeeTP, which was this string down here, which have changed it from hello world and to this is KrazyTeeTP. You see now it says this is KrazyTeeTP. So that does it, guys. If this video helped you, please like, comment, share and subscribe. See you on the next one. Peace.